Hi everyone, welcome back to the channeling series. And today is Jan 25th. We are still in the Gupta Navaratris and in that window. And I'm so grateful that that I am able to channel this beautiful energy to all of you, and that you guys can actually feel mass presence during this time frame. And not to say that she is only available during this time phrase, but it's so beautiful, this energy, this window is actually very sacred for all of you, for all of us. And for her to get this message across, for us, I think during this time is even more powerful, like even like maybe 300 times, 400 times more powerful, right? So today the message is from Bagla Mukhi, and today is her day as well, right? During Gupta Navratras. And so she is also known as Stambini Devi, right? What does Stambini mean? Basically, if you've seen the picture, right, she holds that tongue, right? So anybody who speaks evil, anything that is, she has that power to paralyze, right? To stun, or basically to silence enemies or that negative energy, right? So her message for all of you today is that she, now it's very clear for us, right? That do not speak in a way that is evil when it comes to others. That we are very clear about, isn't it? However, her message for all of you today is that do not speak in an evil way with yourself, right? So the person that we are most around the whole day is ourselves, isn't it? So she is telling you today that the conversations that you have with yourself, can you filter that out and make it as kind as possible? Because that's where all the difference, everything that's happening in your life, you'll see a huge difference when you shift uh, the way in which the conversation that you have with you, when you shift that. Because most of us, when we are talking to ourselves, our self chatter, it's mostly negative, right? If you can even give yourself a few hours a day maybe, and check yourself, put maybe an alarm or something, right? And see how you're talking to yourself. Look at the conversations you're having. Are you demotivating yourself? Are you telling yourself how things cannot work out? Are you pulling yourself down? Are you telling yourself how you need to prep for something, that might not work out? Are you telling yourself how things happened in the past and now, it's going to be the same in the future or even worse? So when you catch yourself doing that again and again, you'll understand there is a pattern that gets created, right? If we are constantly having this negative chatter with ourselves, Ma Baglamukhi is saying, then that becomes our reality, right? We end up limiting ourselves in our lives the most. Yes, there are influences. Yes, people talk to us. Yes, we listen to so much. We're constantly consuming media. Yes, all of that happens. But there's also discernment, right? There is also you and your filters. There is also, again, based on all of that, how you process it and then how you talk to yourself. Or what is it that you are feeding yourself, right? In terms of information, in terms of all of that. So that is what matters. And that is what um, is something that really, you need to change. If you're listening to this video, do comment, you are uh, taking the blessings of Ma Bagla Mukhi, or you can just say blessings, because Ma Bagla Mukhi is going to help you transform the communication pattern that you have with yourself. She's going to help you remove that negativity, right? That negative constant chatter, and also that constant berating, constant belittling that you do for yourself, right? That critical parent that's sitting inside you and that's constantly telling you, this is not possible, that is not possible, don't do this, don't do that, right? You're constantly limiting yourself, right? So Ma Vagnamukhi today is actually helping you shift that voice from something that's negative to something that can potentially be super positive, right? Something some that voice can actually change your life to show you all the possibilities. And once that happens, then no amount of external problems can stop you from moving forward. And that's the beauty of the power that we all have within us. It's only about us realizing it, and then kind of working with it throughout, and it'll change our lives. Yeah. So I hope this resonated with all of you. I will be back tomorrow with another message. Till then, signing off, Anisha Dutt from Zaria Healings.